How to fix translucent TV not working Windows 11 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix translucent TV not working Windows 11 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is just head over in here. So as you can see on the translucent TV, there's some things that hasn't been working in here. So as you can see, it is completely broken. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is to head over to our browser, search for Wave Tool, and then you can see here the GitHub link. So just click on that GitHub link. Then after that, just scroll down until you can see this zip file. So what you need to do is to just download that. Now once you have downloaded that, you will now see it on your downloads folder right here. So what you need to do is to just head over to your disk PC, local disk C, and then create a folder named zviv. Now once you have done that, head over again to your download, right click on Viv tool, then after that just extract the files on the Viv tool to the folder that we have created in the local disk C. Now I've already extracted mine, so what we need to do next is to just head over and search on our computer for the command prompt. So let's search for command prompt just right here, and then once you have opened command prompt, then what you need to do is to just type in this code right here one by one, and then it should be able to run again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix translucent TV not working Windows 11. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.